What is up, you guys, and welcome back again to Hype Geek, the show where we celebrate hype and me just geeking tech out of things. My name is Colin, and first of all, I'd like to greet everyone a happy new year. It's 2022, we've made it this far. I hope you guys are keeping safe. I know a lot of people are getting sick this time of the year. We were not spared. That's also part of the reason why I've only been shooting right now and not anytime sooner. Some of my family members actually got sick during the start of the year, and things were a little bit crazy here at home, but everyone's fine right now, and I hope you guys are doing great as well. So as you can see, we have here a box, and we are going to be doing a unboxing of this. This is something that our friends from World Balance has sent over. And before we do that, again, as always, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so, because we're trying to make more and more videos for you guys. I know I keep saying that, I keep breaking that promise, but hopefully this 2022, I get to be a little bit more consistent. I have so much stuff on the pipeline. Just check out my Instagram as well. If you haven't checked my Instagram, follow me there. I usually post like teasers of what I'm going to be showcasing on the channel there. Without further ado, let's go on with this. So right, as you can see, this is a black box from World Balance. Maraming salamat World Balance for sending this over. It is, of course, their lifestyle sneaker box for a lifestyle sneaker. And then towards the side, you have all the information on the shoe. And yes, guys, this is the latest Invictus from the brand, the Invictus Reveal in orange. I've been dying to actually get my hands on this ever since I saw the teaser that they have. They sent over a couple of teaser photos, and there's a couple of things that are very interesting with the new Invictus Reveal. Not just the colorway. Of course, the colorway is part of it, but there are small details that they added that really just elevated this lifestyle shoe to a different level. Alright, so without further ado, let's open the box. Again, typical tissue paper here, and babam! So no, hello! Ang orange niya. Lakas maka 7-to-1 itong kulay na to, ah. Dapat official collab na with Project 7-to-1. No? What do you guys think? But anyway, this is, wow, look at that. Automatically, there are a couple of things that are different na from the original Invictus line. Of course, the silhouette is pretty much the same. It's just the materials that they use that are quite different. For one, there is more usage of suede here on the side panels of the shoe. And for the entire upper panel, instead of usually using leather, they opted for this lightweight ripstop nylon material, which is semi-translucent in a way. And I guess that's why you call it Invictus Reveal. So if you're wearing like a fancy sock, you know, you can probably see it through the shoe. Of course, since this is orange in nature, it's not going to show as much. We've seen this material used in other shoes for other brands, like example the Nike Element 87. That's when I first, I think, encountered this. But it's actually quite nice that a local company is using the material as well. It actually gives this best-selling sneaker a refresh look. Really good for 2022. Aside from those, there are quite a lot of small details that they added to this shoe, which again gives it just a really good, interesting factor. There is, I believe, like 2 different types of leather used for this. One is a little bit more plush leather that you can see here on the mud guard, and there is this like not really as treated leather that you can see on some other like areas here in the toe box or near the toe box area, just connecting everything together. The tongue is actually really interesting as well. This mix of mesh and plush leather just gives it a more premium look. I also love the lacing as well, especially for the orange colorway. This is some of the best work actually that World Balance has ever created. And this is not even a collab shoe. Now on the lateral and medial side, cutting through the shoe is this, I don't know, it's supposed to be a, this is supposed to be a patent leather sort of homage, but it's not really patent leather. It's more of like semi-translucent plastic. Initially, I'm not feeling it, but honestly, it kind of works with the overall look. And again, as you go towards the back, there's a World Balance logo engraved on a nice plush suede material and a reflective pull tab here as well. Now, aside from using ripstop nylon on the upper, one of the biggest changes on the Invictus Reveal is the midsole. The midsole, if you look at it, you know, on daylight, it seems like it's like an ordinary Invictus midsole. But once you go in a dark place and you left your shoe exposed under the light, you might see the shoe glow. Yes, folks, this midsole, it's glow in the dark. And that is one of the biggest innovation that the shoe actually has. Now, is it something functional? Not really. It's just another added cool factor, which again, I'm super impressed with what World Balance is doing, especially for the local shoe market. And take note guys, the price of this didn't really change as much. In fact, it's still at 2,299 pesos. Yes, you don't have to break the bank to have a really cool sneaker. Now, as always, the World Balance Invictus uses the bounce pad insole of World Balance, which gives this shoe amazing comfort. It's this really nice thick insole from World Balance. Again, I love this orange and then blue, very Dragon Ball Z, very Goku-like colorway going on here. Now, as far as sizing is concerned, you can actually go true to size with the Invictus line, and it is no different with the Invictus Reveal. If you have wide feet, don't worry, you don't have to adjust. You can go true to size and this will fit you just fine. Now, the new World Balance Invictus Reveal was initially set to launch on January 21, 2022 online and January 28, 2022 on retail stores. Now, because of the demand of this from their teaser promotion, World Balance is forced to now just open this up for retail and for selling on January 21, 2022. So better check your favorite World Balance retailer stores or go online and check them out if you want to get your hands on this, because even though it is not a collab sneaker, a little birdie told me that these are going to be quite limited, especially the orange colorway. So if this is something that you're eyeing, better purchase it right away. Okay, wag na kayong mag-isip, wag na kayong, okay kaya siya. Hindi, okay siya. Kunin nyo na. Okay? Kasi ganun siya ka-limited. And with that, guys, this is our unboxing impression and on feet of the World Balance Invictus Reveal. Let us know your thoughts on this shoe at the comments section down below. And with that, I will be seeing you on the next one, guys. My name is Colin, and if you've watched until this point, maraming salamat po. Guys, please keep safe, keep healthy. Bye-bye, hi peeps. Peace out.